'Tis the time at a university community where our interests turn from classes, grading papers, completing that final report, to holiday celebrations, time with family and friends, and our favorite comfort food. You've worked hard all semester, and you've earned this chance to travel, play in the snow, or bundle by the fire. Virginia and I wish all of you, Adams State students, faculty and staff, friends, alumni, a safe and happy winter holiday, and a very happy New Year.